I was assigned a math project. An unlikely event, no doubt. And we were to see patterns and connections in the world around us. And we were given really no rubric, really no nothing. And yet, from this nothing came everything. This is the story of everything. This is the story of God's creation. And in this creation, we seem to find the interwoven fabrics of equation and mathematical expression, and in turn, the seeds of the power of humanity.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for man.
In this story lies patterns and shapes waiting to be discovered. And one of the chapters in this tale is the Fibonacci sequence. And the Fibonacci sequence was derived by a man named Leonardo of Pisa, born in 1175. Not because he was bored, but because he used his mind. The Fibonacci sequence is one of the seeds planted in creation, for us humans to discover and become in awe in our imaginations. And Leonardo used his mind to learn about rabbits, because he was curious about their reproductive habits. So he posed the question: if a pair of rabbits is placed in an enclosed area, how many rabbits will be born there if we assume that every month a pair of rabbits produces another pair and that rabbits begin to bear young 2 months after their birth? He observed the secret of 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 81, 144, and infinity opening up a mathematical door. And little did he know, his observations would transform the world of ratios and equation, with Fn equals Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. This leading to the sequence of 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 81, 144, etc. And this recursive sequence of numbers can show the interconnection of the world around us. And one way this is done is through the golden spiral, a compilation of the numbers from Fibonacci's rabbit trial. The golden spiral lies everywhere and is intertwined in everything. From the food that makes you cower to the dinner table with cauliflower, the golden spiral governs the branches and leaves that stem from this vegetable plant. The ratio of numbers is exactly the same, and this continues on to dandelions in the wind, dancing as they do, hiding their Fibonacci secret and awaiting to be revealed. Hiding their secret of the Fibonacci spiral, the same as cauliflower, the same ratio and same numbers as any time before. And this leads on into pine cones. Further above, higher they go, to pine cones on a tree, waiting to be painfully picked, so that be known that Fibonacci's spiral is not new in 1175 and has been around since time began and has withstood this test of time. From an ammonite shell, some 65 million years old, lies Fibonacci's spiral, waiting to be told, all the way to a backyard snail shell, recently turned dead and cold. And as we look further up, the Dandelions wind that pushed it with ease, perhaps by a sneeze, is no match for the power within Fibonacci's spiral and the awesome power and might of the hurricane. Yet to recapture the spiral's grace, we need to look farther and farther and farther to see the power and grace of the spiral of Fibonacci in the beauty and majesty of our galaxy. Yet Fibonacci's spiral and numbers are everywhere, in music and life, in the fabric which unites space and time, and in humans' continual strife. Yet in this thing we call life, or perhaps this challenging class we call math, never forget to see the beauty and reality of Fibonacci. Though the snail, pine cone, ammonites, dandelion, hurricane, and rabbits are just small examples of Fibonacci in life, I dare you to find more. And remember, the next time your mom or dad tells you to put your math homework away at dinner, tell them to put the vegetables away too, because math is everywhere, and it would be impossible to do.